Hello everyone, this is my helmet marketing project or presentation. My name's Caleb Dole. Who's the customer? Helmet Aerospace mainly focuses on Airbus and Boeing. They're their main customers, but also they reach out to smaller, but those are the two main customers that they focus on. And then going through the annual report, we see customers mentioned 53 times, showing how much they really care for their customers and just always wanting to be there for them. And then they don't advertise too much or get their marketing out there too much. They just believe that the superior of their product is mainly going to attract their customers, and they're targeting bigger customers. So I don't think that's like a big thing, because most of their income's coming from big corporations. National trends that affect Helmet Aerospace. Mainly I saw in the annual report that effects of terrorism. That the government's gonna help them fund. They're gonna help them push a lot of products to the military, and then also, just strengthening. And then whenever COVID hit, that also definitely had an effect on this company. We could see that in the stock last week that it dropped quite a bit. Next thing, primary focus of Helmet, the aim to help its customers achieve greater fuel economy, reduced emissions, passenger comfort, mainly those things that we see in Airbus and Boeing whenever they're carrying a lot of passengers. And also with these big engines, they don't want to have a bunch of pollution or anything like that. And then they get their resources from just engineered products, forging, casting, global rolled products, and then just transportation systems, and they use different resources to help them out a little bit. Competition. We see here that Arconic is one of their main people that they compete with, which is funny because this is probably originated from whenever they split in 2016, because they both came from Alcoa, and then in 2016, Alcoa split two different ways, making Helmet and Arconic. So they like to compete and they want to be the better one. And then also they mentioned that new companies coming out with new products also do take some of their customers away from them. But with their superior product, they just have to keep competing, making themselves better, coming out with better technology than the new corporations. Thank you all.